Good morning. Today let us study about polymers, especially how the molar masses of polymers are calculated. Okay, and we will see polydispersity. What is polydispersity index? Based on this fundamental concept, in GATE they have asked a problem. I have solved a problem based on this concept. Okay, now during polymerization, the chain length increases. Therefore, molar mass of the polymer chain increases in the course of polymerization. When the polymerization is completed, the polymer sample contains chains of different length. As you see, this is long chain, this is short chain. So you have different molar masses. Therefore, it is difficult to calculate. Therefore, there are two types of molar masses. To calculate the molar masses of the polymers, they are number average and mass average or weight average molar masses of polymers. Okay. Before that, let us see what is meant by degree of polymerization. It is represented by P. There is a relation between degree of dissociation and molar mass of the polymer and the molar mass of the monomer. Okay. Therefore, P, the degree of polymerization, is calculated by using this formula P equal to M by M, where M is the molar mass of the polymer. This is greater. Let us take the larger quantity in the numerator. Let us take larger quantity in the numerator. Therefore, molar mass of the polymer divided by molar mass of the monomer. Okay. So it is P is always greater than 1 in this case. Okay. Now what is number average molar mass? How it is calculated? M or N equal to N1 M1 plus N2 M2 plus etc. divided by N1 plus N2 plus etc. It is mathematically written as summation of I Ni Mi divided by summation of I Ni. Okay. Now what is N1? N1 is the number of polymer chains with the molar mass M1. For example, you have the polymer chain with the monomer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 monomers. Here there are 8 monomers joined to form a polymer. Therefore, number of polymer chains with the molar masses M1 is N1, 4. Similarly, N2 is the number of polymer chains with the molar mass M2. This polymer chain each polymer chain has molar mass M2. Okay. Now let us see this number average molar mass is simply the arithmetic mean. Whereas the mass average molar mass gives the sum of fractional masses. Now, how the mass average molar mass is calculated? The same. Multiply M1, multiply M numerator and also denominator. Therefore, N1 M1 square, N2 M2 square plus etc. N1 M1 multiply M both in the numerator and also in the denominator. Therefore, Ni whole square divided by summation of Ni Mi. Okay. Now, what is polydispersity? This is a characteristic of polymer sample. Polydispersity is a characteristic of, whereas if you take a pure protein solution, it will be homogeneous, it will be monodispersity. They have here polymer consists of, you see, as we are seeing, polymer sample consists of different chain lengths and of different molar masses. Therefore, polymer samples are heterogeneous. Remember, this heterogeneity of polymers is called polydispersity. The heterogeneity, you see, the polymers of different chain lengths of different molar masses. The polymer sample is therefore heterogeneous. This heterogeneity of polymer sample is called polydispersity. In the case of polydispersity, the number average molecular mass not equal to mass average molar mass. Okay. Now let us see monodispersity. It is just opposite of polydispersity. In this case, in monodispersity, the polymer sample consists of same chain length. Same chain length it will be. Okay. And also the sample is homogeneous. Therefore, in this case, the number average molar mass of polymer is equal to weight average molar mass. Now, how the polydispersity is measured? Polydispersity is measured in the form of polydispersity index, PDI. It is a measure of heterogeneity in the polymer sample. It is equal to the ratio of molar mass of weight average molar mass of polymer to the number average molar mass of the polymer. Okay. You take the, as I said earlier, the molar mass of the weight average molar mass of polymer is always greater than number average molar mass. Okay. Therefore, the quantity, the larger quantity, similarly here, larger molar mass of the polymer, this is larger. Therefore, you take this quantity in the numerator. This quantity is larger, therefore you take this in numerator. Based on this concept, a problem is asked in GATE 2016. I have solved. Please go through this. Thank you for watching.